Now it's carrying 3 big carton box, so it's very useful in warehouses, godowns, shops, on transport offices, truck loading. Now the 4 persons are riding, and this vehicle is able to carry 4 people with good speed. Very good load carrying capacity. The 4 person are riding. Our car can use for nursery, carry the plants. It's very convenient, it's very durable, heavy duty and sturdy. Also it can carry the person, chair can be fixed easily. This can carry 3 jars of water, 20 liters. The space is enough for 3. This application is more suitable for resorts, restaurants, and door delivery segment. Also the newspaper vendors. It's a 3-wheel vehicle, so it doesn't require any balancing. It's very easy and very convenient. It has a reverse facility. Turning radius is very less. Also it has a narrow track size, so you can run on the bicycle track. It doesn't require any license or number plate because it's a slow speed vehicle. The top speed is 20 km per hour and the power is 250 watt only. And this is the specialty of GoGoA1, where we can run on 250 watt, but the load carrying capacity is 120 kg. So this vehicle can run on any road in farm. It can take a good inclination. It has a good inclination ability. So it is giving the very good performance on any terrain or in any application. You can fix the shopping basket in this. The size is perfectly according to the big basket. Can be carried easily.